Welcome everybody. So we had a question. The question was, how do we make coconut milk exactly? So we have to use a coconut grater and we grate it, and we use one of the older coconuts. So just like what my stepmom is doing. And if you want to find out why she's laughing, I have the link below. But let me do it slowly and show you how to grate coconuts to make coconut milk. So you get an older coconut, you split it in half. I would not recommend splitting the coconut in your hand unless you're an expert. And I would also gather the coconut water because it's so healthy and so beneficial. But I would open it up, and it's an older coconut, and then you have to have one of the coconut graters. It's a unique little tool that looks like a spoon and a knife at the same time, and it's a chair. So you sit on it and grate it like you see on the video. Yes, I agree. It's a very lengthy and tedious process to grate the coconut at home, but there's so many benefits from fresh coconut aside from the fiber and from the electrolytes, and it's also used as a weight loss product. I mean, there are so many benefits you can get from the coconut meat, the coconut milk, the coconut water. You can read up here what the benefits are for coconut. It also has manganese. People on the keto diet can use it. It has phosphorus. It's good for cardiovascular health, and it helps the body store and use energy, vitamin E and all that, vitamin K. It's just high in fat, low in calories, just so many benefits. You can rewind this and check what all the benefits of coconuts are. Here you catch a glimpse again of the tip that actually grates the coconut right there. But how do you make the coconut milk exactly? So once you have the coconut shaven, grated meat, you basically soak it in warm or hot water, and then you meticulously squeeze it out. You can do this and redo it 2-3 times, and then you have a rich coconut milk, which you can use for your desserts, for cooking your curries or so, or even for your shakes. Now, of course, you can buy the coconut milk in the stores, and it's so much easier. But this is just a process on how to make coconut milk by hand and at home. So hopefully you enjoyed this show, and if you have any questions, give us the question and we'll try to provide the answers for you with a video. Thank you for watching the Chris and Tina Johnson Project, and have a wonderful day.